So tell us what you're doing, sweetheart.
Miss Isabel, you're a complete ham bone. Say, Dad, you realize this. I can figure I'm going to hide when you come around. That or she'll just accept that that's, permanently attached to Joe.
She would be like the Truman Show.
Right. She just lives with cameras, so it's...
Good job.
She just has very busy days.
Watch your head. Oh. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Stand up. That's it. Stand.
Good job. You want to walk towards Dada? You want to walk?
Go get Dada's camera. Go get it.
You want to walk towards Dada? Look at that smile. Walk. Oh! Good job. Just a little tiny help. Oh.
Yay!